folks, welcome back. Well, it's Saturday morning. It's a cold one. I mean, in the garage, it's only 6.5. There you go, 10:05 Saturday morning, 11th of the 3rd. We have a new solar panel, which is the one that I should have picked up in the first place. But obviously I didn't. This one actually fits the space that I've got on the roof, so that'll be going up the very first chance I get. So today's mission is to fit this little dab aerial. It's a DAB, GPS and FM all in one. So it's to go with the headset, obviously the new headset. It's I don't like these dab window aerials, they're not that great. So this has got a booster and an amplifier stuff in it, so yeah, we'll get that on the day. But first of all, I need to go inside and get the roof, cab roof lining down. As you can see, it's fixed in quite well, but it's obviously got damp at some point. There's a bowl just above the mirror there, and there's a big bowl just over the passenger door. So you can actually see it there from the back window. See, it's quite a hump. So I'll just rip it down because I'm going to replace it anyway, and it's going to get, the cab's going to get something modernised as well. So let's get it down and we'll go on with it. So needless to say, the rain came on again, but didn't stop me. I got the aerial up, got the aerial in. What a footery job trying to put the nut in through the aperture for the interior light. So that's the cables there. Not sure what way I'm going to put them down yet. So anyway, messed about getting the toilet back together again. Took the little unit out. I say I've got it all cut down and ready. As I say, I've got that to seal up. So I'm going to go down the sides with the plastic panelling to seal it in all the way down. A nice starter trim on it, and then down at the side all the way down. That will seal the whole lot. As you can see, I've got the two holes for the old tap holes. So there we go. I had a slight mishap of 7 years bad luck. Took the door, had the doors sitting up my bedroom at the road, brought them down to put it back up so I could see what was what, and it fell off the seat and landed in the footwell right in the corner of the door. Not to worry, I'll put a bit of trim around it. But as I was saying, the two tap holes, I need a single tap hole because it's a monoblock tap. So what I've done, I've cut the side out of the unit, which is against the wall so you won't see it anyway. Made a cardboard template, a bit of CAD design there. That's cardboard aided design. And covered the holes and made a single tap hole. So this is how it works. Misses the tap, great, no problem. And that's it. There's two holes in the bottom of the basin, which I never noticed until I took the basin off to fix it. So I'm going to deal with that when I come in from work tomorrow. So also got the water supplies back in, through into the shower room, and a hole down for the waste, and I've got the waste connected to the basin as well. So yeah, all in all, productive weekend. So take care out there, people. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra for now. Bye.